Kejelau CH Vijaya Shankar ni kesengi ulah syapan kuburam daga Kaveri Prashasti Award hau Dr. Sri Sri Trinetra Mahanta Shiva Yogi Swami unongelam niam jong Sri Durshan Deshwara Mahanta Shiva Yogi Mat Kamadya District Bat Sri DMS Chandra Yana Ashrama Kabadan Hajan Kawa Kaveri Sri Ranga Patna Karnataka. Hagni kesengi ladon lang nadu Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Sangma sebut Menteri Rangba ba Presiden Tensong Menteri Kesorkar Jelau Umar Kuis and Marak Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed Rangkat Ku Officer bat kibla syakot ngobha habakren hagni kesengi ulat Kejelau lopun pau kejing sengawu ya Swamiji halor keni kejing itu bakerpang ya ula berab da kabaong bak Kaveri Prashasti Award kadon ya kejingmut kabakrau kani kakusnam kapan pau yangi menteri na kabenta kejingba bat ban syakri ya upat ba haman ka benta jong kejingim jungi ula ongru ba kani kakusnam kamdei tang kejungu marwai handrei kedei jo Kejela Meghalaya hi baro kawai nakle menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Sangma habakren hakni sengi ula ai kejing kublai kerpang ya ulat Kejela balayo ya kani kejing sya penkuburam kabakrau daga baong ba kani kejing itu kan penslur ki babun kham tami gitu kebetrai ha kakam syakri ya kipai ba.
It gives me immense joy to join this August gathering on the occasion of the Kaveri Prashasti Award ceremony. I, on behalf of the people of our state, would like to extend my warmest congratulations to our Honorable Governor, Sri C.H. Vijaya Shankarji, on being conferred with the prestigious Kaveri Prashasti Award today. This recognition is a reflection of his decades of dedicated public service, his humility and deep commitment to the welfare of the people. His life and leadership continue to inspire all of us who are in public life to serve with sincerity and with compassion. I also express my deep reverence to His Holiness Swamiji, whose tireless work in the field of education, health, environment, and spiritual upliftment has been a beacon of light for countless followers across the country. His message of peace, service, and harmony resonates deeply with the values that define our society. The Kaveri Prashasti Award holds a profound symbolism. Just as the sacred river Kaveri gives life to millions, nourishing fields, sustaining communities, and symbolizing purity and generosity, This award reminds us of the need to nurture our people and environment with the same spirit of selfless giving. Meghalaya lies far from the banks of the Kaveri, but the essence of her flow can be felt in our own rivers. The Ungot, Ubiam, Mintudu, and so many others, which sustain our land and reflect our bond with nature. Across our nation, every river carries the same divine message: to give more than we take, to serve without expectation, and to live in harmony with all creation. Friends, as we gather today, let this event remind us that true greatness lies not in position or power, but in service to others, in giving, guiding, and growing together as one community and one nation. ये हमारा सौभाग्य है। मैं चाहता हूं कि Meghalaya is blessed to have a governor like you. I had opportunities to work in different positions with different people. लेकिन जिस ह्यूमिलिटी से आपने अपना काम और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपने निभाया, मेरे पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस में हर छोटी चीज में आपने ध्यान दिया। जहां आपकी ध्यान की जरूरत भी नहीं थी, वहां भी आपने ध्यान दिया। जो आपका पोजीशन था और है, उस पोजीशन में आपको कभी नीचे, पीछे, आगे, ऊपर क्या हो रहा है आपको देखना नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन आपने देखा, आपने समझा और समझ के जो स्टेट के लिए और स्टेट के लोगों के लिए जो अच्छा है उसे आगे रख के आपने हर चीज में आपने निर्णय लिया। ये मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस आपके साथ रहा है। और जैसे मैंने कहा, हर लेवल के आदमी के साथ ये भी मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है। आप सभी को सम्मान देके आप काम करते हैं। कभी आपने ये मुख्यमंत्री है, इनके लिए अलग इनके लिए लेवल होना चाहिए, या अलग इनके लिए हमें अलग प्रोग्राम बनाना चाहिए, और ये कॉमन आदमी है, इनके लिए अलग, आपने ऐसा कभी नहीं सोचा। चाहे मुख्यमंत्री हो या एक कॉमन सिटीजन हो, आपने सभी को सम्मान दिया है और सभी को आपने रिस्पेक्ट दिया है, और यही सबसे बड़ा आपका क्वालिटी है। और इसलिए ये जो आज आपको सम्मान मिल रहा है, जो आपको अवार्ड मिल रहा है, मेरा मानना है ये एक बहुत आगे और बड़े बड़े सम्मान आपको मिले, ये मेरी प्रार्थना है। और मुझे विश्वास है कि जो आज आपको इतना बड़ा सम्मान मिल रहा है, आगे इससे और भी आपको अलग अलग रिकग्निशंस और सम्मान और अवार्ड्स मिलेंगे, ये मेरा मानना है। और मेरी शुभकामनाएं हरदम आज भी और आगे भी आपके साथ रहेंगे। एंड वंस अगेन सर, आई कांग्रेचुलेट यू ऑन दिस वेरी वेल डिजर्व्ड ऑनर and express my heartfelt gratitude to His Holiness Dr. Shri Shri Trinetra Mahanta Shivayogi Swamiji for his blessings on our governor and his blessings on our state. Thank you very much for your presence, for coming so far to honor our governor and to visit all of us and bless us. May the divine spirit of River Kaveri continue to inspire all to work for the greater good of humanity. Thank you very much. Kublai Shibun, Mathela, and Jai Hind.
His Holiness Sri Sri Trinetra Mahanta Shri Yogi Swamiji, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sri Conrad K. Sangmaji, our Deputy Chief Minister, respected ministers, senior officers, including our Chief Secretary of the State, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am deeply honored and humbled to receive Kaveri Prasasti Award here at Rajbhavan, Shillong. This is a very special moment for me and I accept this honor with heartfelt of gratitude. I offer my respectful pranams to His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Trinetra Mahanta Shri Yogi Swamiji. His life of service, compassion and spiritual guidance has touched the thousands of lives across the country. His work in education, health, environment and peace building is a true example of how faith and action can come together for the good of society. The Kaveri Prasasti Award carries a deep and beautiful meaning. The river Kaveri has been a source of life and inspiration of centuries. It provides water and energy, supports the nature and wildlife, and continues to be the worship as a symbol of purity and giving. Like the river, this award reminds us that we must also strive to serve selflessly and bring goodness wherever we can. I am truly grateful to this honor comes from such a sacred institution, the Chandravan Ashram, which continues to spread the message of peace, love and sustainable living. That too, this award, I was supposed to take it in Mandya district, Srirampuram Taluk, where actually ashram is functioning. I think it is also grace of the God, I think. Instead of I go and receive this award, you say I am able to take this award in the state of Meghalaya, where I am working as a governor. In fact, I won't think this award is being given to me. It is given to the whole of Meghalaya. And moreover, I never receive any awards. I never accept any awards. I won't go and attend any such programs wherein we feel some award is going to be given to we people. For your information, I am telling, this is the first award out of my 69 years. This is first time I am going to receive and I am going to have it in my lifetime. Only because of the relationship between Swamiji and myself, I have been accepted this award. Otherwise, usually I keep away from such awards. because sometimes it's a take away we people from the practical life, practical thinking and way of living. It's mesmerized. We feel we are something great. That feeling under any circumstances should not come to the mind of anybody. Mind of anybody. So in that way, this first award, Swamiji, I am going to receive in my lifetime. Though we are far from the banks of Kaveri, the spirit of her flow is alive here in Meghalaya too, in our clean rivers, green hills, and simple way of life that respects nature and community. Whereas this issue comes of Meghalaya, Swamiji, I am proud to be here. Whereas this state is being considered as a female-dominated state. Female-dominated state. Whereas in case of our state and rest of the other part of Meghalaya, whereas girls get marry a boy, girl is supposed to come to boy's house. But whereas in case of Meghalaya, it's not like that. Boy is coming to girl's house and is supposed to stay there. That is a tradition we can see here. In case of ancestors' property, in our state, I am the first son in the family. Naturally, the ancestors' property right, it comes to me in my state. But whereas in case of Meghalaya, it's not like that. The ancestors' property right, ultimately it goes to the youngest daughter of the family. Youngest daughter of the family. It is a female-dominated society. And particularly, Swamiji, you are running Ayurveda college in your ashram. For your information, I am telling you, it is a land of Ayurveda. Meghalaya is being treated as land of Ayurveda, land of medicinal plants. Land of medicinal plants. It is not only land of medicinal plants. This land is being treated as a heaven. Meghalaya in the sense, this land is being treated as a heaven. Such a wonderful tradition and wonderful background is there. And whereas here, 70% of the land, you can see forest. 70% of the overall Meghalaya, you can see the forest. And if at all you are able to get pure water and pure air, anywhere in any part of the country, in that way also first place goes to Meghalaya. Pure air and pure water. But I pray God, I pray Almighty, this traditional background, spiritual background, cultural background, and ecological background, let it remain forever in Meghalaya. And we have to pass on this to the coming generation. We have to pass on this to the coming generation. In that way, our responsibility is so high. We have to think in that way. There are many challenges right now before the state of Meghalaya. So we have to work sincerely in that way. Definitely we will do that. I believe that whether it is Kaveri in the south or Umiam, our Chief Minister also mentioned this river, Umiam, woman god. Here in the northeast, all rivers teach us the same lesson to give to nature and live in harmony. I also take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Chief Minister Sri Conrad K. Sangma and the respected Deputy Chief Ministers and Ministers and all dignitaries and the people of Meghalaya for their support and goodwill. And here, for your information, Swamiji, here people are really too good. They are really too good. And sometimes I feel the people, they should not think otherwise. People here are really innocent. They are totally innocent. And many times some of them, they always used to tell me, sir, you are also very innocent.
You belong here.
So by that time I think myself, the innocent means, what does it mean? Our Chief Secretary is a better person to answer to it. He is also very knowledgeable like our earlier Chief Secretary. So according to me, the innocent person in the sense, they never cheat anybody. They never harm anybody. They never lie. They never lie. They are the very good human beings according to me. Innocent in the sense, they are very good human beings on the earth who do not cheat, who do not harm others, who respect and love everybody. Such people actually to be awarded. But instead of that, such community being treated as innocent community. Who cheat, who is able to cheat, he is able to say lie and ready to harm anybody, he is being appreciated. This is not at all good. But this kind of community, we have to always appreciate. We have to always appreciate. In that way, the people of Meghalaya, of course, if at all anybody says innocent, I accept it. If at all anybody says I am also innocent, I accept it. I also take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Conrad K. Sangma, and Deputy Chief Minister and rest of the other ministers and dignitaries, and the people of Meghalaya for their support and goodwill. This award is not just for me, it belongs to everyone who works silently and sincerely for the welfare of others. I once again thank the Holiness, His Holiness Swamiji of the Chandravan Ashram and devotees for the great honor. May the blessings of the sacred river Kaveri guide us all to live with compassion, humanity, and dedication to the serve of humanity. Thanks to all of you. Thank you so much. May God bless all of us. Kublai, Mithila, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.